In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine text in Smartsheet. If you've ever had a sentence split across multiple cells and you want it to read smoothly in a single place, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that using a simple formula approach. On my sheet, I have a sentence that reads, "I want to join these sentences," but each word is sitting in its own cell. The goal is to stitch those pieces together into one clean line of text. To begin, click the cell where you want the full, joined sentence to appear. This is your destination cell, and everything you do next will build the result right here. Next, go to the top of your screen and click Formulas. When you do, a panel opens on the right. This panel is helpful because it keeps your formula building organized while showing you references as you select them. With the panel open, click the first cell that contains the start of your sentence. You'll see that reference appear in your formula. Now, you'll join each piece together with a plus sign. After the first cell reference, type the plus sign, then add a pair of quotation marks with a single blank space between them. This set of quotes creates a space in your final sentence so your words don't run together. After the space and quotes, type another plus sign, and then click the second cell in your sentence. You're going to repeat that pattern for the rest of the cells that contain your words. Plus sign, a space and quotes, plus sign, then click the next cell. Think of it as building a chain. Cell, plus, space, plus, next cell, and so on. As you continue, you'll notice the preview of your formula grow, and the final output in the destination cell will reflect the combined text. A few tips as you go. Make sure the space you place between quotation marks is exactly one space, unless you intentionally want more. If one of your cells already includes punctuation, like a comma or period, you can still use the same pattern. The space in quotes simply ensures you don't end up with words jammed together. If a word in a cell already has a trailing space, you might decide to skip the extra space in quotes for that join to avoid double spaces. That's it. By clicking the destination cell, opening formulas, selecting each cell in order, and linking them with plus signs and a space in quotes, you'll neatly combine your split sentence into one readable line. Once you've confirmed it looks right, you're done.